Here we are, your company, A.E.I. Remodelation. You can see all the piers already created. All this wall will raise a little bit, 1.5 inches. You can see all the void between the chims and the ground and the existing beam. We already leveled this house. You can see the void, how much we raise this house to stabilize and level it. A.E.I. Remodelation, your company. From the good to the best, because our customer deserve the best. We are doing our best. Lifting the house, I'm leveling. You can see all the void, how much we raise. You can see the difference there. All the void, both sizes. How much we raise this corner. This is a corner. It was completely low. Right now, it is level. A.E.I. Remodelation, your company. How we raise and level this house, doing our best for our customers. A.E.I. Remodelation, your company. You can see how much we raise this house. Awesome.